TMS is transcranial magnetic stimulation, and it's used for treatment-resistant depression, patients who have failed other treatment options. Through magnetic pulses, we stimulate a part of the brain, which is the dorsolateral prefrontal cortex, and that area is dormant in depression. And so by stimulating that area, we boost that activity back to where it really should be, and that helps patients to better address and target their depressive symptoms and better control their thoughts to kind of reframe more positively. So generally we will counsel patients that it may take on average about 2 weeks to start to see significant symptom improvement. Since we are stimulating the brain and kind of creating an activation effect, we see an improvement in energy levels and fatigue, and typically patients will feel like their motivation is improved a little bit and they feel like they're able to go out and do more things.